Oi, mates. We've got a bone to pick today. Can you believe some of our iconic Aussie pubs decided to snub Australia Day? Let's name and shame them. First up, in St Kilda, Victoria, we've got the Esplanade Hotel in Prince of Wales. How can you be in such a vibrant spot and not celebrate the day that defines us? Absolutely disgraceful. Then we've got the Duke of Wellington and the Garden State Hotel in Melbourne. Mate, Melbourne's the heart of so many celebrations, but these two just couldn't be bothered. Heading up to sunny Brisbane, Queensland, it's the Regatta Hotel and the Port Office Hotel. Come on, Brissy. This is supposed to be a time of unity and pride, not indifference. Sydney, oh Sydney. Cargo and Bungalow 8 in the heart of our bustling harbour city, and yet they decided to turn their backs on our national day. Unbelievable. And let's not forget Adelaide, South Australia. The Colonist and Parkside Hotel, you too are on the list. How can pubs with such rich histories ignore a day as significant as Australia Day? These pubs have some explaining to do, folks. Remember, it's not just about a day off, it's about celebrating who we are, where we've come from, and the spirit that binds us together. Let's remind these places what it means to be Australian. Name and shame, and let's make sure next year they don't forget. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to keep that Aussie pride burning strong. Until next time, mates.